Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. A few weeks ago, I purchased some of these inexpensive peel and stick vinyl tiles from my local hardware store to replace a small bathroom floor. In today's video, I share with you what I did with some of those leftover tiles. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this leftover insulation foam board that I already had at home. I cut out 4 16 by 16 inch pieces, and I used generous amounts of hot glue to adhere all 4 of those pieces together. Next, I added additional hot glue to the inside of my cube to ensure that my pieces were together as securely as possible. I then cut out a 5th piece of the insulation foam board for the top of my design. I then hot glued on my top piece and cut away the excess. Next, I used a Dollar Tree sanding sponge to smooth the corners of my design. It was then time to custom cut my vinyl tile that I needed for this project. It's a lot easier if you use a vinyl tile cutter for this step. However, I could not find mine, so I'm using a utility knife instead. I'm using my utility knife to score the towel. I'll then push the towel to the edge of my table and then push down to snap the towel into 2 pieces. I then simply removed the paper backing from my peel and stick towels and I attached them to my insulation foam board. Of course, these peel and stick towels are self-adhesive, but it also helps to add just a small amount of hot glue along the edges as well. As you can see here, my measurements were slightly off, so I'm using that same scoring technique to remove the excess towel. Here's what my faux marble side table looked like so far. Now let's add just a touch of glam. For this step, I'm using silver leaf, extra fine glitter, glass glitter, and Mod Podge. Once I was happy with my silver leaf, I allowed my Mod Podge to dry for about an hour, and then I gently brushed away the excess. Here, I'm dabbing on additional Mod Podge to seal in my glitter as well as my silver leaf. Once I was done applying my Mod Podge, I allowed my design to dry overnight, and here's the finished look. I really like how this faux marble end table turned out. I think it's beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, Dazzlers, bye!